That's not good. Why does it always have to be the one that's way up there? This repair is going to require the big ladder. Click and up. And some safety glasses. Oh, let's not break that. It's important. I think I'm gonna have to go up one more. First, we gotta take this little cover off. And not fall in the process. 7.5 by 7. Make sure everything's secure. We'll test it out one more time to see if it's not moving. And then it's just a matter, I think, of replacing this piece. Yep, turn it on. Oh, now it works. Was it just kind of bogged down? Who knows? I'm not sure I trust it, because it could go again. So if it doesn't work, or you don't trust it, I think I'm going to get a replacement player. That's crazy. All I had to do is carefully, I would probably use you could do that, I guess, with it pulled out and test it. If it works, you're good to go. But you may not be. And I don't want to come up here again, so I think I'm just going to try to replace that unit. Went to the store and got one of these. I paid $16.93 for it at Home Depot. Not a sponsored ad. Just happened to be close to my house. So let's see what we got here. Got a unit that looks a lot like the one up top. We'll measure it just for grins. Yeah, look at that. 7 inches and 7.5 inches. So perfect. Believe it or not, buying the entire unit is cheaper than buying the replacement part. So there's a little thing here you can see maybe to remove motor plate, push here. And I've got a screwdriver just to pop it out. This is sharp sheet metal. So you probably want to wear gloves. Whoa, let's get this unplugged. This replacement piece costs more by like $2 or $3 than buying the whole unit, which I don't understand, but hey. But this will give you a good indication of what we're going to be doing up top. So let's go back up to the bathroom and install this guy. I'm going to keep this screwdriver at hand just in case I need it, but I don't think I will. The hardest part of this experience is working on a ladder very high up. So this is where it goes in. Now this is where it pops into those 2 tabs there. If I'm following this right. Yep. And sometimes they're painted, so it might be a little tough for you. All right, now just push it in, pop it in place. How fast was that? And that should be a complete replacement. So we'll go turn the power back on and check. Plug it in and see if we got something that works. And it does. Doesn't take much time at all. This is a fairly standard unit for pretty much every home you can think of.
unless you've been upgraded. Most builders don't upgrade. This was a model home at one point, and you would think they'd have upgrades all sorts, but this one here, standard $16 issue. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking stuff, evaluations of sports gear and electronics, I even do cosplay, costumes, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.